Hey everyone, it's Elizabeth here from What Elizabeth Creates, and today I'm going to walk you through my process for my 2019 Day in the Life spread. So as you can see, I have the back of one of my 9x12 Project Life pages, and then I also have a 6x12 insert that has all 3x4 pockets. So I'm actually going to use both sides of that 6x12 insert, and that works out perfectly. I'm actually doing a monthly Project Life spread for March, so I don't need both sides of a 9x12 to make each week. So I decided that the Day in the Life, since it was at the end of February, it was February 26th, I believe, that it worked perfectly to kind of round out February. So I am using the digital version of Allie's 2019 Day in the Life kit. I printed out those, I believe they're called Story 3x4 cards. I think that's what they're labeled in her digital kit. But they were originally 3x8 size, and I just sized them down to about 75% so that I can fit them on a 3x4 card and still have room to add my time and a little bit of journaling to each of those cards. I kept everything else the same. I literally just sized them down, super simple in Photoshop. And now I'm going to add my times. So I am using the Studio Calico Mega Timestamp to add my times. I'm just looking at my phone to see what time I took the photo, and then I'm going to add that to each of these cards using the Memento Gray Flannel ink. So now that I have all of my time stamped out on my story cards and almost all of my story cards in the pocket pages, I'm going to be working on embellishing. So first of all, I'm going to work on this title card, which is a slightly edited version of the Day in the Life card that is in Allie's digital kit. Her original card is 3x8 vertical. Sorry, I still get those two mixed up. And I just rotated it so that it fit on a 4x6 card, and pretty much I just left it like that. So I did have a little bit of a hard time embellishing that, so I'm just gonna go around to my photos, and I did pretty much use an embellishment for every single photo just because I wanted to keep this spread really plain and simple, but I felt like the photos needed a little bit of extra pizzazz. So I used some physical chipboard and little plastic pieces. I'm not sure what Allie calls those. But they are from the Week in the Life kit from 2018, I believe. Either 2018 or 2017. I got them in a sale, and I just added a couple to some of my photos. I had that Hello Tuesday circle that I thought I might use on that title card, but then I ended up just finding this little Tuesday circle that just said Tuesday in black, and I added that to the label, and I really love how it turned out. So as you can see, I'm just adding a few chipboard embellishments to all of my photos. That one says evening routine, and then I also add one that says love this on the photo of my daughter coming down the stairs with her puppy. And that is pretty much the end of my spread. I do add a index tab to the 6x12 pocket page, and I'm just using some stamps from the Click story stamp, which was very long ago. I I actually got this in a Stories Revisited sale, so I have no idea when it actually came out, but I have the date on one side and then the sentiment, remember this, on the other, and that is the end of my spread. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye.